last class said they're playing a great game of statues.
It's melting.
It's just sitting there.
How about the other one?
Now,
That one's
if
sad.
you catch the water on that wild action one, I want everybody to take their little pointer finger, and I just want you to put your finger on the wooden/plastic one. If it's wet,
Can I
that's
drink
fine.
that water?
Okay. Now, if your finger's wet, wipe it on your pants. It's just water. Okay. Now, take your little finger and stick it on the metal one.
Ah. Yeah, why is it so cold?
Because it's frozen. Can I drink it, please?
I know.
Okay, so we noticed
My
a difference.
fingers
So
are
my
cold.
Y students would, now this is not a chemical reaction. Let's put ice back up here. It's not a chemical reaction, it's just a phase change. Would this be exothermic or endothermic? Why would it be endothermic? I would agree with that. Kylie. Okay, I'm sorry, we had some people talking, okay? So, Kylie said it's endothermic because it's taking in energy, causing the melting to happen, and when you touch the water, what did you notice about the temperature? It was very, very cold, okay? And so tomorrow, when we are doing temperature things, if you notice the temperature going down,
Looks like it's
that's an
black.
endothermic reaction, and those happen less than exothermic, okay? So it would be like, why, like, what kind of metal is this, and why would this be important? So studying metals is called metallurgy, and it's studying the different reactions with metals. So I'm thinking, gosh, if I'm making an airplane, I know that I don't want my airplane to get covered with ice, because what could happen to the wings and everything of the airplane? It could be yeah, Mr. Airplane guy over there. Yeah, it could freeze, it could cause too much weight, and it could cause the airplane to crash. It could cause bad things to happen. So if I'm building anything that has to do with flying, I might build it out of whatever this alloy is, because I know when I spray that foam, that de-icing foam on, it's going to react very quickly and melt that ice. I don't want that on a rocket ship or an airplane or something that I'm flying on. So understanding how metals work can be helpful for like transportation and that too. However, it's almost time for us to go, so please listen closely. All right, you need to go over to the sink when I say go and put the ice cube and the water in the sink. And you each need to grab some paper towel and dry each of these parts off. And I want you to leave them lay on the, don't put them in here, because I want them to air dry too. So dry as much as you can, and then put them on the trays and just leave them over there so they can air dry. But everything should be dried off
Just
as
let it
much as
stay.
possible.
Let it. We've put the other one on.
Yay!
Ice. I want the big one.
You want some?
Can I have some? I'll get a small one.
Yeah.